Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the YouTube pack by Blackso on Envato, how to install it and a quick review. So once you have downloaded this YouTube pack, you will get this zip file. So thereafter you have to right click and select extract. So you need to extract it using any unzip software. So thereafter you will get this folder. Inside this folder, just open this up and over here open the folder once again, and here you have three folders. Basically number one is the motion graphics template. So inside it all the motion graphics are over here. These are .morget files which you need to install, and then we have the optional After Effects. If you have the After Effects or if you want to use it for After Effects, then this is for the After Effects. And then we have the help file. So these are the tutorials, helpful tutorials. So if you want to just learn how to do certain things, that would be very useful. All right, so let me now just show you how we can use this in Premiere Pro. So this pack is basically for the Premiere Pro. So for that purpose, what you have to do, you have to first go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics. So that panel would be open right over here. So if you're using Premiere Pro 2020 version, then you will have this option. Right click and select the Manage Additional Folder. But if this option is not available for you, you have to click on the plus icon and you need to browse that downloaded folder where you have downloaded that pack, so YouTube pack, and inside this pack you have to browse that template folder, motion graphics template, and you need to click on any of these and select the open, and that way that would be available right over here. As you can see, this is the YouTube intro which we have just imported. So you have to do this one by one, otherwise the second option is this one. So just click on this hamburger menu and select the Manage Additional Folders, and over here just click on the Add New Folder, and then you need to browse the downloaded folder. So inside a YouTube pack and motion graphics template, just browse this folder and press the select folder, and once you will do this, you will see this right over here on the bottom, and just press the OK, and thereafter you need to just browse this Essential Graphics panel. Just press the parenthesis key, that would maximize it, and over here if you'll just browse it, you will see all these packs right over here. So these are the packs, you can see all of these are available right over here. So we have so many designs and different elements which you can use. Alright, so let me show you how you can use them. These are simple and easy to use. All you have to just drag and drop. Alright, so this is the first one, is this subscribe like bell icon. So you can just drag it over your timeline, and it's going to take a little while. And then since this is in a 4K resolution, you have to scale it down to your resolution, and the easiest and the simple way to do this is by right clicking and selecting scale to frame size, and once you will do this, that would be scaled to this size. And then let me load down my resolution, and if you just press the play button or play the timeline, you will see these buttons right over here. So at this moment this is red, that means it has not been rendered, so we need to just render this out, only this portion. So I'll press the enter key, that would start to render these. So some of these files are little heavy, so for that purpose you have to just pre-render them, otherwise there is no need. So after rendering, this looks something like this. Let me show you. Let me just make it a little larger, right, so that you can see the preview. So these are the buttons, bell and subscribe button. So this looks something like this. So let me just delete it and browse the second one. Maybe let's say this one. So if I just drop it over here and right click and select scale to frame size, then it's going to scale it down and play it. Let me just make it full. Alright, resolution full. And alright, so this is how this looks. Okay, and we have the option, if you go to the edit, you can just change this to something else like comment. So you can write comment and that would be changed to the comment, and like, okay, and we have the option to change the font. From here you can change it to any font, and you can change the color, shape, like color this one. So let's make it maybe something like this. That's okay. All right, and if you just see this, just play it. So you can see this looks something like this. The preview is a little choppy because I have not rendered it. This is also a very heavy, as my system is full of files, right? So let me just drag this one. There is another one. Let me drop it over here. Right click and select scale to frame size, and let's make it half, and then let's play it. So this animation, this looks something like this. Isn't this amazing and very cool animation? And let's see over here, just drop this one, and if you see this option of enable missing font, so you have to just download this font, and you can see, you will see this error. You have to install these fonts, Objective Extra Bold, Objective Medium. So you can just Google it and download these folders. Otherwise, what you can do, you can change it to any other font. So let me just scale it down to frame size, and from here you have the option to change the font. So let's make it do something like this, and let's change this font to, let's say, APC Simple, and this would look something like this. Again, you have the option to customize each and everything, like text and their font, their text size. If you want to just increase or decrease that size, you can do this. You can decrease the size to text to size as well, and colors. So if you want to just make it something like this, you can do this. Now this has been changed. If you have a brand color, you can change that to your brand color. You can just change the text. All right, so like, let me change it to this. All right, so this is how it looks, and we have endless different options. So let me just quickly show you this one. This is the transition. So if you just drop this transition between the cut of two clips, all right, so maybe over here, right click and just scale to frame size, because this is in 4K. And now if I just play it, boom. So that's the transition that also works amazingly. And we have another transition. So let's drop this one, right click, scale to frame size, and let's play it. Boom. This is also very cool transition. And we have these end screen. So just drop these end screen right over here, right click, scale to frame size, scale to frame size. And if you just play this, that's the end screen. So here would be your channel, and here you can just add any video from your channel at the end. So this is also very good way to engage your subscribers or followers to keep watching your content. So let me just delete it, and we have so many different options. So you can see these are very amazing designs. We have the Twitter social networks as well, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and all these. We have the links as well, call to actions, and this list is literally endless. There are so many amazing titles as well, lower thirds. All right, this is not included. So this is how you can use this YouTube pack or YouTube like and subscribe pack by Braxu. I think I pronounce his name correctly, Braxu, on Envato Elements. If you want to download it, the link of this is in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.